Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you students? I hope you are all fine. Today we are again here for your online classes. This is your English class. This is the lesson 10 for English. Today the day is Monday and the date is 3rd May 2021. Your book name is English. This is for class 7. Now we will open the content pages. Here are the content pages. In the content pages we have done the unit 1, 2, 3 and 4 if you remember. Today we will do the review 1. It is on the page number 48. Now we will move to the page number 48. Here is the page number 48, review 1. I have ready the page CW Monday and the date is 3rd May 2021. Question number A. Consult a thesaurus to find the synonyms of the following words. Do you know what are the thesaurus? If you have remembered, we have done this. This is a kind of dictionary and we will find out the synonyms. Synonym are the same meaning of the word. First one is street. Its synonym is LANE, lane, RPASSAGE, passage. Second one is market. Its shopping centers is SHOPPING, shopping, CENTR is center, RBAZAR, bazaar. It will be shopping center or bazaar. Boy, its synonym is LAD, led, or male child, MALE, male, CHILD, child. Beat means cheat, 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 or DEFEAT, defeat. Pain, it means trouble, 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 or misery, MISERY, misery. Next one is question number C. Read the following and underline the pronouns. You know or what are the pronouns? Pronoun are the words that are used instead of a noun. First one is birds build their nest in the trees. There is used for bird. This is the pronoun. Shahid has lost his watch and cannot find it. Lost his. His is the pronoun. The horse fell down and broke its leg. It is the pronoun for the horse. Rabia, you are a lazy girl. It's talking about the Rabia, and you is used for the Rabia, and it is pronoun. Aslam brought his book and laid it on the desk. His is the pronoun. Move to the next page. Again, ready the page like the previous one. Question number D we will do. What is the question number D? Make questions of the following sentences. What is it is? Make the questions of the following sentences. Very simple way to make the question. He is running in the playground. We will put the is in the front. Is and he. H will be in the small form. In the not in capital word, in the small word. Is he running in the playground? And after that we will put the question mark. They are sitting in the examination hall. R will be in come on the outside. R and T is in the short form. Are they sitting in the examination hall? And also the put the question mark. He is watching television. Is he watching television? He का age small में हो जाएगा. She is writing a letter to her uncle. And is she writing a letter to her uncle? It is question mark. They are going to market for shopping. Are they going to market for shopping? इसमें जितने भी helping words हैं, all the helping words will become on the front side and the sentence will be the question. Next one is question number E. Separate regular and irregular verbs from the given list and put them in relevant column. Here are the some words they have given us. They are telling us that please separate the regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs is attain, 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 help, 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 PLAY, play, INVITE, invite. These are the regular verbs. Irregular verbs are BUY, buy, CUT, cut, KEEP, keep, TAKE, take. Next one is fill in the question number F. Punctuate the following sentences. We will put the punctuation marks like full stop. If we have exclamation marks, if we have question mark, we will put it here. First one is alas, we have lost the match. Alas, A will be in the capital form. After this, we will make the exclamation mark and full stop. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. I of Islamabad will be in the capital form. P of Pakistan will be in the capital form, and after this we will put the full stop. Hey Hina, stop. Hey Hina. After Hina we will make the exclamation mark. Hey, H in capital form and full stop. I will come back at 7 o'clock in the evening. First I in the capital form and O के बाद हमारे पास comma आ जाएगा. And after that we will make the full stop. My email address is cgrs@yahoo.com. Means my is in the capital form. After that we will put full stop after the Yahoo and after in the last. Okay, now move to the next page. Here is the next page. Again, ready the page. Question number G. Fill in the blanks with the linking verbs from the given list. Given यहाँ पे list है, यहाँ पे linking verbs हैं ये सारे. इनके लिए हमने blanks को fill करना है. The food dash delicious tastes. They always dash to be the best debaters. Prove. Bilal dash quiet looks. My neighbors dash very angry sound. My sister dash her book safe keeps. Fill in the blanks with correct prepositions. The moon revolves dash the earth revolves around. A fair little boy sat dash a tree under. Humpty Dumpty sat dash a wall sat on a wall. She is afraid dash the dog she is afraid of the dog. It has been raining dash yesterday raining since yesterday. I left him dash I left him over. Next one is separate the countable and uncountable nouns given list and put them in the relevant column. Here are the some nouns. There are some countable and some uncountable. We will put them in the correct column. Rupees, we can count them. Pens, we can count them. Pencils, cap, these are the countable nouns. uh, Uncountable nouns, these are sugar, salt, water and tea. Next page. Fill in the blanks with suitable words given below. These are the words we will put it in the blanks. फर्स्ट वन इज़ यू शुड ऑलवेज फुलफिल योर डैश. हमें हमेशा अपने क्या पूरे करने चाहिए? प्रॉमिस. गो एंड डैश अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर फॉर मी. गो एंड ब्रिंग. ही वॉज प्लेइंग डैश इन द प्ले ग्राउंड. वट इज़ ही प्लेइंग? हॉकी. You should not dash on others. You should not depend on other. We must help the person who dash in the danger, whose life is in the danger. Next one is fill in the blanks with appropriate adverb of frequency from the given list. These are the adverb of frequency. We have read out all these things in the lessons, previous lessons. The postman called dash. The postman called often. They dash come to see us usually. She dash tries to do his best always. The train dash arrives late sometime. I have dash seen him never. Complete the following sentence by filling in the a or an or the as may be suitable. A, an and the are the articles. He can play dash flute. He can play a flute. Copper is a dash useful metal. Copper is a useful metal. He is dash European. He is a European. We will not write an because although here is e and it is vowel sound, but when we write it eu, it is a sound of ye wow u. European. That's why we will just put the A. His father is dash sto n. Here is not vowel, but we have putting the n because when we write it in the Urdu, it will be start from the I. Sorry, alif. That's why we will put here. एस को अगर उर्दू में राइट करते हैं तो अलिफ से शुरू होता है, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पर एन लगाया है. मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. My mother is in dash the dash army. My brother is in the army. They run dash NGO. They run an NGO. I hope you will you will do all these questions on your notebook, on your book, solve them and also learn them properly. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.